Need to edit a PDF, but the text won't budge? Converting to Word is the answer, if you do it right. Here's how Nitro handles the formatting, so you don't have to clean up the mess afterward. In Nitro, go to the Convert tab and click to Word. The conversion window opens with your file already loaded. You can add multiple PDFs and convert them all at once. If you only need part of a document, highlight it, click Choose Pages, and enter the range you want. No need to convert pages you don't need. Before you convert, click Options. This is where you control exactly how the document comes out, and it's what separates a clean conversion from one that falls apart in Word. Under Headers and Footers, choose whether to keep them, remove them, or bring them in as body text. For images, anchoring to a paragraph keeps each image attached to its nearest text block, so nothing floats to the wrong place when you start editing. Page layout gives you the most important choice: high editability while keeping the structure, or a precise match to the original using text boxes. For most documents, highly editable with layout is the right call. And make sure table detection is on, so your tables come through as actual Word tables, not rows of plain text. Choose where to save the file, then click Convert. Nitro opens the Word document automatically. Headings intact, table formatted, images in place. The structure holds. You're in Word, everything is editable, and you haven't lost an hour reformatting. Start optimizing your PDF files today. Download your free 14-day trial at gonitro.com.